Okay, earlier I did a video showing what is inside and how this flying Earth satellite toy works and what it needed to be fixed, and basically it came down to this little brass gear here. Let me set the satellite down so I can see what I'm showing you. This gear that was worn out. Now this end up here with that nubbin, that was pressed onto a crown gear, and so I had to come up with a new 10-tooth brass gear of the right diameter and length, and actually ended up getting one from China that was the right diameter and the right number of teeth, and it was a little extra long, which is what I wanted, because then I was able to chuck that new gear in my bench lathe and turn it down to this little stump that I need and fit the stump into the crown gear. And I didn't have a proper way of swedging the two together. I do have a press out there, I didn't have the right tools. And so what I ended up doing was soldering it on there, and seemed to have done the trick. I'm going to try this for the first time. If you remember from the video, basically this crank turns a large gear, which turns that small brass gear that I just replaced, which spins the crown gear, which then turns a brass gear, which is on the end of this flex cable. And unlike most cable controlled toys, this one, this outside spring type material, is what rotates. The inside stiff wire stays stationary. It's the guide. And so the flex one comes up to these blades on top of the Earth satellite and spin it around. And even though this is a stiff wire, you can see it can't hold the satellite's weight up because it's tin. And they're saying it should actually fly. I don't know. I kind of got my own opinion on that, but I guess we'll find out. I'm going to crank it up here. Hey, it does fly. Okay, I'm not going to go much higher because my desk, which is out of frame on the camera, is right there. I'm afraid that these thin 60-year-old plastic blades might hit and break it. So there you have it. Here's the remote with the crank, which you're only supposed to turn clockwise, and the Earth satellite repaired and working, and you've probably seen the only one online of it actually working. Oh, I do have a picture on my computer, and you know I don't edit videos, so I'm just going to swing the camera around and let you just look at the screen on the computer and see for yourself. Maybe I'm going to swing the camera around. Here's what the box looks like for the toy, the top of the box.